The EP5957-SA is a battery-operated system designed to internally dispense Kraft paper. It comes with a magnetic joystick for quick and simple operation. Place the control on any magnetic surface for easy access. This unit quickly and seamlessly dispenses coreless Kraft paper rolls with the push of a button. The unit also has an optional foot pedal control. This accessory is sold separately. The bottom chute includes an easy tear-off system. No blades or sharp edges required. The EP5957-SA is made in the USA at Encore Packaging. Thank you.